Here we are, we're back at the original spot. We didn't sell a car, none of us. This fine lady here is watching over our cars for us, keeping people from fingerprinting them and everything. And anyhow, we have all of them here, with the exception of the Rusty 2, and that's over in the other hall, and that'll be there for several days. And anyhow, say hello, Andreas. There he is. And how's that for a collection? So anyhow, this is kind of fun. Out of the 115 cars so far, only 3 sold. I think they need to get to know us a little better, but they're all lovely people and very sweet, nice, and I think now with our cars all together, basically, I think we're going to be a lot better off, to tell you the truth. So anyway, we opened up the back trunk on the Blue Knights just so they can see it, and you can see the little crowd that you got here, and there's hardly anybody in here now. So anyhow, we'll talk to you really soon.